big up the whole talent show. You see what I say? From contestant to judges, you see it? Whole Portmore. I mean, I say, all I know, DJ Smoke, don't drop it yet. One for reason with it a little bit, you see, because you don't know the thing, due to the amount of sporadic upsurging of violence and crime we are going over the island certain way. It's like some of even my personal loved one them kind of fall victim to certain things from the other day, is it? And it's like me I love to use the platform yeah, to try to tell some youth with sense, say yo, you know, leg off a certain violence and certain crime, kind of call for and Corona don't kill a portion to we already, you see me? So I say to all who lost a loved one, condolences, is it? R.I.P. to all them real general in my pass off. DJ Smoke here can chat with him. No. Yeah, I say our general, I say Kisha Las Vegas. Life really you know. I say enough things happen on the journey, you know. Anyway, me know the thing going on. Firm ground same way. So I say, yeah. That's some liquor on the ground for my dogs in there. Memories are living in there forever. Me read songs, my ball, my chant, pray, never know so soon you would have gone in a brother sometimes. I remember me cry, miss my dog them, young guns, bunja fry eye, but your memories never die. A firm ground, same way, out here and I multiply. My heart full of hate and pain, things change, I know me not lie, feel it inside. I see your face every time I say look at that smile, and R.I.P. on a caption of someone I never want write. I'm not like the saddest thing you can tell somebody we love a goodbye. We shed it a light. Life goes on, love goes out. Don't you cry. Condolences. Life goes on, love goes out. Don't you cry. Just the life a man live. Vex with the cause you make them take away life. You have to know that. You tell me for tell me race so forward, but they never come back. I can't believe so we a keep a candle light on the hilltop. When you miss somebody where you love, you know the exact impact so the pain don't stop. Miss you every day, nothing is the same. Your memories remain until I see you again. Miss you every day, nothing is the same. Your memories remain. Man, just a try smile through the pain. Life goes on, love goes out. Don't you cry. Condolences. Yeah, give thanks and bless up, you know.
Hey, can't say capable I go through moments right now, you know. The emotional feelings, you know what I mean, for the loved one will pass off. The song is real. Me like the song here. You know what I mean? And everybody I go sing a song for them loved one or a friend or a family will pass. Me feel the energy, brother. Feel the song. Current, I like it. All right, so the first judge, Lady Tash, what you have to say about Kaepable, this song? Oh, Nero, all right. All right, Nero, sorry.
Yo, I don't know if persons really know Kaepable still is
I
a
see a
youth.
10.
It's a youth to always have a vibe when them reach. Yeah, for like some reason, me out the door, I see like him there by himself, I look out, you see me? But me there wonder what going on with him, and I say, give him some time, probably I meds him and meds. But when I see him there, so I don't know if I hear him sing or hear the breakdown in him voice. I don't know if I not hear that part there still.
Yeah, you can hear.
You see me? Brother, let me tell you something. This is not a friend thing, you know, brother. And you do this, you know. See it there, you know. This is you, you know, my friend. I don't know if I pray when the man sing, brother. The man here full of water for real. Him not sing this for competition right now, you know.
Yeah.
So this is my thing, you know, my friend. I not more to say, you know. I not more to say about performance now. Brother, your voice do it already, my friend. And me have a love when I pass away to someone know it feel like, you know what I mean? I see how all it.
Yes. Keisha, Las Vegas. Thank you for that, Nero. Keisha, Las Vegas.
Honestly, I feel like everybody has lost somebody, but for me, I try to prevent myself and cry, literally. And I just want to move on real fast. But when I say you hit the nail on the head with this one, very good, very good. We can see that we have a lot of work to do with you, and I look
Trust
forward
me.
to it. I'll
Yeah.
give you a 9.
Great
Alright?
artist.
Give you a 9.
Counselor Edwards.
No itching thing, my brother. The only thing me left to do is cry. And I thought you were gonna cry as well.
Life goes
You know,
on.
I felt it. You have a sound, you know, and you were very emotional. It touched me. We not talk no more. 10 minutes.
It's real.
See? Yeah, man. I
Capable.
feel
10.
Yeah, man. Real.
All right. Lady Tash. The man say him vex with him friend because him lose him life. Him vex with him friend. Lose him life. You know why him say that. Lady Tash. This is the moment where the show reach, you know. Really feeling this. Trust me. Life goes on. Yeah, man, big up the artist, man. Give it up for the artist. Capable. May I tell you, hold on. Enough finish yet, Capable. Remember you say life goes on. 10. Lady Tash give you a 10.
Yeah, you are going on now. You know, so we are real warrior and we are real thugs in the streets. So you know, say, when the killers say ones were passed on because of the upsurging of violence we are going in Jamaica right now. Me personally can relate to that, you see me? Because more than 1 or 2 of my soldiers them pass. You see me, I deal with my general. I was always meant to write them type of powerful music here for them. You see me, I deal with, and me I trust me, I feel it to my heart, you know, brother. You see me, I deal because me I tell you, a whole heap of thugs we know, you know. A whole heap of people, you know. People fall for violence and some people fall because of the virus we are going around. But enough of our thugs them fall due to violence, upsurging violence now. So we don't love peace and unity in Jamaica. You see me, I deal with, big up yourself capable, you know, attend the God go, you know.
All right, remember, this is not no sorry for right now. We're talking about the content of the song, you know what I mean, or him deliver and all of them something, you know what I mean, life goes on. You understand? So big up yourself, Capable, big song, and this is no friend thing. You understand? The song speak for it. Right, this right there. Got this?